electronic installation. Mini bike. Changing the tire is whatever reason they won't hold it. But what we got here, 3 of these screws, one here. It's my first time doing this, that's why I'm making a video. Pull that off. Voila, your rim one side. Pull the other side off. And you got your tire, which is an inner tube. And you got your tire size, etc. Trying to do this with one hand. And my left hand at that. So, now you know what size you need. Or see if you can patch in the tube. That's that. What size tire this is a 40 PSI. There it is. It said 120 by 50 by 9 inch. And that's how you do that. Put a new inner tube in. Rim back on. Put it back together. And this is for that.